Erik here with Russ Darrow, CDJR. We're going to have some fun in this one here. I have a series of photos of different automobile grills. We're going to go around and see just how many of those my coworkers can identify. When you're done watching this video, make sure you drop some comments down below right there. Let us know how you did.
Name that car. That is a Hellcat. Dodge Charger. Ram 1500. Jeep Wrangler. Jeep Wagoneer. Jeep Compass. Kia K5. I don't think that's a real car. Pacifica. Ooh, that's an old Dodge Challenger. Mustang.
Dodge Charger SRT, Ram 1500 5th gen, Jeep Wrangler, Jeep Wagoneer, Grand Wagoneer, Jeep Grand Cherokee, a Kia Sedona, that is a Chrysler Pacifica, a Charger, Dom's Charger from Fast and Furious, the first one. And then that is Eleanor.
It's either Challenger or Charger.
All right.
Ram 1500. Jeep Wrangler. Jeep Grand Cherokee. No, wait. Jeep Grand Wagoneer. Jeep Grand Cherokee L. What is your car? It's a Kia, I know that. Kia Sorento. Chrysler Pacifica. Fast and Furious. Challenger. This one is, this one's a Ford Shelby, pretty sure. But I don't know what movie.
Don't know if that's a Charger or direct Charger. Ram 1500. Wrangler.
I've got that scheduled.
Wagoneer. Compass.
Thank you.
Kia Telluride.
Oh, you got the Kia.
Chrysler Pacifica. Charger. Oh, I have to see the movie too.
You know it?
Fast and Furious. And Eleanor GT500. Gone 60 seconds.
That was a lot of fun, guys. I hope you enjoyed it as well as I did. Make sure you drop those comments down below right there. Let us know how you did. Let us know what you thought. We look forward to seeing you soon. Stay safe out there.